Hey everyone! Welcome to the Curiosity Lab, where science rules and discovery is the name of the game. Today we're diving into 5 mind-blowing science experiments you can try right at home using everyday items. That's right, you don't need fancy beakers or bubbling concoctions to unlock the wonders of science. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just looking for some fun, these experiments are perfect for igniting your curiosity and impressing your friends. We're talking eruptions, invisible messages, and maybe even a little bit of slime. Get ready to unleash your inner scientist because things are about to get seriously scientific in here. Let's get started. Alright science fans, let's kick things off with a bang. For our first experiment, we're going to create a volcanic eruption right in our own kitchens. Now, you might be thinking, Bill, how can we possibly recreate the fiery fury of a volcano with just stuff from our pantries? Well, my curious comrades, the secret lies in the amazing reaction between baking soda and vinegar. Think of baking soda as our calm, collected base, and vinegar as our tangy troublemaker, an acid to be precise. When these two ingredients collide, it's like a chemical dance party in there. The baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate if you want to get technical, reacts with the acidic vinegar, releasing carbon dioxide gas. This gas expands rapidly, creating pressure that has to go somewhere. That's where our volcano comes in. By mixing the baking soda and vinegar inside a cone-shaped structure, we're giving that built-up pressure only one way to escape. Up! And voila, you've got yourself a spectacular eruption of fizzy, bubbly lava. It's a blast from the past, demonstrating the power of chemical reactions in a safe and exciting way. Have you ever wanted to send secret messages like a super spy? Well, get ready to channel your inner secret agent because we're about to unlock the power of invisible ink. And the best part? You probably already have the key ingredient in your kitchen, a simple, ordinary lemon. That's right, lemons aren't just for lemonade, they're also a source of citric acid, which weakens paper just enough to make it practically invisible. When you write with lemon juice, the citric acid acts as a secret agent, breaking down the paper fibers and making them more susceptible to oxidation when heated. To reveal your hidden message, simply hold the paper up to a heat source, like a light bulb. Always be careful with heat though, safety first. As the paper warms up, the areas treated with lemon juice will oxidize faster than the surrounding paper, turning brown and revealing your secret message. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Get ready to get your hands dirty because we're diving into the wonderful world of slime. This experiment is a classic for a reason. It's a tactile, gooey, and oh-so-satisfying way to explore the fascinating properties of polymers. Our secret ingredient for this experiment is something you might find in your medicine cabinet: contact lens solution. Contact solution contains a key ingredient called borax, which acts as a cross-linking agent. Now don't worry, it's perfectly safe in small amounts like this. When mixed with glue, the borax molecules link together the long chains of polyvinyl acetate molecules in the glue, creating a stretchy, slimy substance. It's like weaving a tangled web of molecules, and the result is pure, gooey fun. You can adjust the consistency of your slime by adding more or less contact lens solution, creating everything from a runny slime to a thick, putty-like substance. Experiment, explore, and let your creativity flow. Ever wonder why some things float and others sink? Well, get ready to dive into the depths of density with this excellent experiment. We're going to explore the concept of buoyancy and discover how something as simple as salt can change the game. You see, density is all about how much mass is packed into a given volume. An object will float if it's less dense than the liquid it's in, and sink if it's denser. Now, a fresh egg is slightly denser than plain water, which is why it typically sinks to the bottom of a glass. But here's where the science gets really interesting. By adding salt to the water, we increase the water's density. The more salt we dissolve, the denser the water becomes. Eventually, we reach a point where the salt water is denser than the egg, causing our egg to triumphantly rise to the surface. It's like magic, but it's the science of density at work. Get ready for a kaleidoscope of color with our final experiment. We're going to transform ordinary milk into a swirling, twirling work of art, all thanks to the power of surface tension and chemical reactions. Milk is mostly water, but it also contains fats, proteins, and other molecules that like to stick together, creating surface tension. Think of it like an invisible film on the surface of the milk. Now, dish soap is designed to break down fats, and when we add it to our milk, it gets right to work disrupting that surface tension. As the soap molecules zip around, they bump into the food coloring molecules, causing them to spread and swirl in mesmerizing patterns. It's like a microscopic dance party happening right before your eyes. The result is a vibrant and constantly changing display of color that demonstrates the invisible forces at play in our everyday lives. Thanks for joining us in the Curiosity Lab today, explorers. We hope you enjoyed these experiments and learned something new about the science that surrounds us every day. Remember, science isn't just about textbooks and labs, it's about exploring the world around you with a sense of wonder and a thirst for knowledge. So keep experimenting, keep questioning, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe. Who knows what incredible discoveries you'll make? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting science content. See you next time.